What's going on, Patreon? Back with another Germs Emery exclusive Patreon members only review. Welcome to Colombia. Very cool. Yeah, this is, I think I explained all of the particulars of universal yums in my last video with my daughters, but you know, this is going to explain a little bit about Colombia, and you got your scorecard on the back, and I'm not going to do that. We've got some La Nina lime potato chips, some Rosquila's cheese snacks by La Nina. All right, I think the first thing I want to get out of the way are these plantain chips, the garlic ones. I'm not a big fan of garlic, so I want to get these out of the way. And I mean, they are garlicky. Not a big fan. Way too garlicky for me. All right, now that those are out of the way, let's try these cheese snacks. Let's try out these mayonnaise potato chips. Those are great. The flavor is almost buttery, which I suppose could be confused with mayonnaise, but those are good. I like these a lot. And I love salt and vinegar chips.